Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach. Learning to speak English fluently and confidently is not easy. It takes time. So basically it is a journey which is definitely not very smooth. So it is full of ups and downs, but it is upon us how we make it comfortable and easy for us. So here I'm going to tell you how you can make your English learning journey or your fluency journey easier and comfortable. Here I'm going to start with an example so that you can also understand or you will be able to relate to what I'm saying. And later on I'm going to tell you how you can make your English fluency journey easier. And at the end I'm going to give you a tip as well. So stay with me. So monsoon has started. Today in the morning when I went to drop my kid, it was raining heavily. And when I dropped my kid at the gate, I wait there for 2 minutes till my kid goes inside the building. So now when I was standing there was other two parents also were standing with me. And we all were strangers. I didn't know which standard their kids were in. Okay, but the common thing was we were standing there to say our kids bye. Okay. And then one of the parents started speaking to me. What was the topic she chose to speak to me? She started saying, the monsoon has come and see, it's raining so heavily today. To which I replied saying, yes, you're absolutely right. We were waiting for the monsoon to come, and when the monsoon has come, it has started raining so heavily that it has become problematic for us to drop the kids to school as well. Right? So, how the conversation started, did you notice? It was just one simple thing she said, and I started speaking to her or replying her back. Alright, so this is how conversation starts. She simply talked about the weather. The monsoon has come and it's raining so heavily today. This was a simple thing she started saying. So basically what she did was she introduced a topic for us to have a conversation on. Right? Don't you think it's a smart way of having a conversation? Definitely it is. So definitely there are lots of ways in which you can start a conversation, right? We need to notice everything. We need to be very alert about how people start conversations. I noticed this and I immediately, when I came back, I thought that I'm going to take this example today so that you will be able to understand how we can start talking in English, how we can start having a conversation in English with anyone on any topic anywhere. It was just a school gate and we were just there for 2 minutes. And in that 2 minutes, she took that initiative to speak to me. Right? We don't know. I don't know if ever I'm going to meet her again. But we spoke. Right? So this is how conversation starts. So today I'm going to talk about this topic. So weather is a topic which we can take up to speak to anyone, whether it is a stranger or a friend or a relative or a colleague or anybody, your neighbor or anybody else. You can take up this topic and you can start having a short conversation with people on it or a small talk. Now, what all topics you can take up related to weather, I'm going to tell you. So the first thing we can talk about is, we can say, nice weather, isn't it? Or it's too hot today. Or you can just simply say, which is your favorite weather? Which weather do you like the most? Do you like winters? Do you like summers? Do you like rainy season? Which season do you like the most? Or which is your favorite season? Or you can say, what do you prefer doing during winters? Or what do you prefer doing during summers? Or what do you prefer doing during rainy season? So these are the things we can just ask to introduce this topic about weather. Okay. Or else we can indirectly talk about it. It's so hot outside. Do you feel like going out in this weather? or it's too cold outside. I would love to have a cup of tea. What do you think? Anything which comes to your mind, you can just speak about it related to the weather to start a conversation with people, right? So these are the topics which you can introduce, or these are the ways in which you can introduce this topic to have a conversation, a 2-minute simple short conversation in English. And it is not difficult at all, guys. Trust me on this. And in the same way, you can prepare your script also, what you can answer when somebody asks you this question, right? It's raining outside. What do you prefer doing on a rainy day? Or what do you like to do on a rainy day? Or what do you like to do during summer season or winter season? So prepare a script. Talk about it at home. Practice it at home. Right? What do you love to do? During summers, I would like to stay in and have simple lunch. And I prefer drinking more of fluids like lassi or a mango shake or a buttermilk or water or lime juice or lemonade. So you can just talk about it in this way. Or during winters, I would love to go out for dinner or coffee or tea. Or during winters, I would love to go out to have a bowl of ramen. And during rainy season, I would love to have some snacks like bhajiyas or samosas with a kadak chai. Anything, whatever you wish to, you can just talk about it in this way. So you should know what question you should ask or how you can introduce the topic and what you should reply to that question as well. It's so simple, it's very easy. Prepare it at home, practice it in front of the mirror, in front of your camera, with people at home. You can choose anything. So just practice it and go out and start speaking on these topics. Pick a topic every single day, practice it well and go out and start speaking. Unless and until you don't go out and start speaking in English, you will never gain fluency and confidence, guys. And that is why I've started this series of small conversations or short talks or short conversations or small talk, so that you know what topic you can take up and how you can just go and start speaking to people about for a short span of time, not a long conversation, a short conversation, just to gain fluency and confidence in speaking in English. And once you gain fluency, once you gain confidence in speaking in English, definitely that short conversation can go beyond that, and you can have long conversations also with people in English anytime, anywhere, on any topic without any effort, right? So the transition will be very smooth. So that is why start with short conversations or small talks. And that is why every single day I introduce a new topic and I tell you how you can have a conversation on this topic in English with people. So the point is, you have to go out and start speaking to people. So prepare well on this topic. It's very easy, very simple. Go out, wherever you meet, just try to introduce this topic and have a short conversation with them. When you're going out for a walk, when you're going out to school or college or office, or you have met your colleagues at office during tea breaks, snack breaks, or if you have met a stranger at any store or anywhere you're standing or waiting for something, or your neighbor. Introduce this topic, have a conversation and come back. Definitely it's going to build on your confidence and you will see it's so easy to speak on. So guys, don't just listen to my videos. Try using it in your practical life, and that is my idea behind these videos or these sessions. That I want you to go out and start speaking to people. And that is why I encourage you to take up short conversations or small talks to start speaking in English. Take that initiative. It is definitely going to benefit you for sure. Practice it for 30 days to see a lot of difference in your speech, clarity and confidence. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. And if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.